Hello and welcome to Mr. Excel 101. In this video I am going to continue talking about data analysis, and this time we're looking at summing data and using the SUMIF formula. So I'm using the same data set as I have been so far, and I've got two test scores for each of my rows. So if I highlight the cells in the bottom right hand side of the screen, I can see the average, the count and the total sum of those two scores. But let's use it as a formula so that we can pick the scores up for all rows. So let's type in total sum. That will automatically add a column to my table, and in this formula I'm just going to click equal to sum and open brackets. If I select my range, that could be typed in as well and close brackets, then I can get the sum of the two scores. And you can see here that has automatically applied it for every row in the table. If I just want to know what the total sum of test 1 scores is, I could do the same formula, so equals to sum, highlight my range, close, and that gives me the total sum of test 1. If I would like to do that but restrict it to the London entries, then it's a slightly different formula. I'm going to use SUMIF, and in this instance we select the range of the filter that we want to apply. So we'll select the range of the city, type in London as our criteria, and then finally our sum range. So that's this range here that we want to actually sum. So we can get 405 in this instance. The final thing I'd like to do is SUMIF for multiple criteria. So in this instance, we'll use the SUMIFs function. And this is again the opposite way around to the SUMIF. So in this instance, the sum range is first rather than the criteria, and it's actually followed by the criteria. So again, we'll highlight our nearest city. We'll type in as London, and then put in our second criteria, which is the name. Open another column, open quotations, and in this instance we're going to have open asterisk Joe, asterisk close all of our quotations and brackets. So we have all of the Joes scored a cumulative 203, and we can just validate that by typing in our filters, and we can see there those are all our Joes and they did get 203. Okay, that concludes this video. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more content.